Here we are in Kathmandu, Nepal, one of the places on earth that I've always wanted to visit, and I'm so delighted to be part of this executive trip to meet our new executives, to spend some time with them, to talk to them about the future of their businesses.
The executive trip was always about taking the emerging leaders and one, getting to know them, and two, getting them to know us, and three, giving them a lifestyle experience. Maybe something that would be hard for them to achieve on their own. And with this trip here, we've shown our members and our leaders that we can rearrange something at short notice. In 1 week, we rearranged a trip to Morocco to Nepal. So here we are today on Monday morning in Kathmandu, on the top of the world, where our leaders from all over the world have suddenly experienced how agile and how able to adapt to change the Leo business is.
The very first day we got a wonderful training delivered by the corporate our CEO. That's what's so wonderful.
We're in Kathmandu celebrating our new executives, and we're in Kathmandu working with them because their next stop is Director, and we think it'll be here before they know it.
We are putting our leaders into an airplane where we will fly through this natural wonder of the world called the Himalayas, with Mount Everest and all of these other mountaintops there.
Et aujourd'hui, la compagnie, avec Dan Anderson, on a fait visiter la montagne et donc on a pris l'avion et tout ça, donc on est monté et on a vu vraiment de belles choses très intéressantes, des montagnes. On était dans l'avion, on était à plus de 15, 17, 20 personnes dans l'avion avec le groupe Léo. Donc on a visité un endroit magnifique, la montagne. Enfin, c'était vraiment quelque chose d'exceptionnel.
We are taking our leaders to the base camp of Mount Everest. At 17,000 feet, Mount Everest Base Camp represents a setting of real human triumph and aspirations and success, and for us to take our leaders there is a metaphor for the success that we want them to have in Leo.
We just came back from Mount Everest. We went through the Himalayas. It was amazing.
The highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, that was probably one of the most exhilarating experiences I had in my life.
Taking our next generation of leaders, taking some of the most precious new people in our business to the very top of the world.
We are at the top of the world.
Leo is larger than life. Leo is like Mount Everest to all the other MLM companies in the world.
Leo, I've taken the company to the first top of the world event in our history, and we will be doing this time and time again to share this with all of you and your friends, your family, your organizations. Thank you from the top of the world.